The war in Ukraine is a tragedy. The conflict has brought immense suffering and devastation to countless lives, leaving cities in ruins and families torn apart. Yet, amid this chaos and destruction, a remarkable transformation is taking place. But it's also a technological proving ground. The battlegrounds of Ukraine have become a testing site for cutting-edge military technologies, where innovation meets necessity. Out of the ashes of conflict, Ukraine has risen as a leader in AI-driven warfare. The nation has harnessed the power of artificial intelligence to develop sophisticated systems that enhance their military capabilities. Faced with overwhelming Russian aggression, Ukraine turned to technology. They realized that traditional methods alone would not suffice against a formidable adversary. They embraced artificial intelligence to level the playing field. AI systems have been integrated into various aspects of their military operations, from reconnaissance to combat strategies. And the results have been nothing short of stunning. Ukrainian forces have achieved significant successes on the battlefield, thanks to their innovative use of AI. From intercepting Russian drones to launching precision strikes deep within enemy territory, AI has given Ukraine a strategic edge that was previously unimaginable. Ukraine is rewriting the rules of war. The integration of AI into their military strategies has not only changed the dynamics of the current conflict, but also set new standards for future warfare. This technological leap is not just about winning battles today. It's about shaping the future of warfare. The advancements made by Ukraine are paving the way for a new era in military strategy and defense. It's about shaping the future of warfare. The innovations being developed and tested in Ukraine are likely to influence military tactics and technologies worldwide. Ukraine's innovations are being closely watched by the world. Military experts and defense analysts from various countries are keenly observing the developments in Ukraine. Militaries and defense analysts are taking note. They are studying Ukraine's use of AI to understand how these technologies can be applied to their own defense strategies. They see in Ukraine a glimpse of what the future holds. The success of AI-driven warfare in Ukraine is a testament to the potential of these technologies in modern conflicts. A future where AI is not just a tool, but a decisive factor on the battlefield. As Ukraine continues to innovate and adapt, the world watches, learning valuable lessons that will shape the future of global military strategies. Drones have become a ubiquitous presence on the Ukrainian battlefield. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are now a critical component of modern warfare, providing real-time intelligence and delivering precision strikes. The skies over Ukraine are filled with the hum of these machines, each one playing a vital role in the ongoing conflict. Russia has deployed them extensively. Their drones are used to gather intelligence, disrupt communications, and launch attacks on strategic targets. The Russian military has invested heavily in drone technology, making their UAVs a formidable force in the air. They use them for reconnaissance, targeting, and even direct attacks. These drones can loiter over the battlefield for hours, providing continuous surveillance and striking when the opportunity arises. Their ability to operate in contested airspace makes them a significant threat. To counter this threat, Ukraine has developed its own fleet of interceptor drones. These drones are equipped with advanced sensors and weapon systems designed to detect and destroy enemy UAVs. The development of these interceptor drones has been a top priority for the Ukrainian military. These AI-powered defenders are designed to hunt down and neutralize enemy drones. Using sophisticated algorithms, they can identify, track, and engage hostile UAVs with remarkable accuracy. The integration of artificial intelligence has given Ukraine a technological edge in drone warfare. In the skies above Ukraine, a new kind of dogfight is taking place. These aerial battles are fought not by human pilots but by autonomous drones, each one maneuvering to outsmart and outgun its opponent. The outcome of these engagements can have a significant impact on the ground war below. Interceptor drones, guided by sophisticated algorithms, stalk their prey. They use a combination of radar, infrared, and visual sensors to locate enemy UAVs. Once a target is identified, the interceptor drone will shadow it, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. They identify enemy drones, lock onto them, and then, with deadly precision, take them down. The speed and accuracy of these engagements are a testament to the advanced technology and training behind Ukraine's drone defense program. These interceptor drones are not just a defensive measure. They represent a proactive approach to securing Ukraine's airspace, ensuring that enemy drones are neutralized before they can pose a threat to ground forces or civilian areas. They are a symbol of Ukraine's determination to control its own airspace. The presence of these drones sends a clear message. Ukraine is committed to defending its sovereignty and protecting its people from aerial threats. The battle for the skies is ongoing, but with these advanced interceptor drones, Ukraine is better equipped to face the challenges ahead. Reliance on foreign suppliers for crucial military equipment can be a liability, especially in wartime. Ukraine understood this vulnerability. They embarked on an ambitious program to develop their own domestic drone production capabilities. This strategic move has paid off. Today, Ukraine is less reliant on imported drones. They are producing a wide range of unmanned aerial vehicles domestically. This homegrown drone industry is not just about self-sufficiency. It's about fostering innovation and tailoring designs to the specific needs of the Ukrainian armed forces. Ukraine's use of AI in warfare goes beyond just drones. They are integrating AI into various weapon systems. One of the most impactful applications is in target acquisition and tracking. Ukrainian drones now utilize AI algorithms to lock onto targets with pinpoint accuracy. This is particularly crucial in countering Russian electronic warfare tactics. These AI-powered systems can distinguish between enemy targets and civilian objects. This capability minimizes collateral damage and reduces the risk of civilian casualties. But the development of such sophisticated AI-powered weapons also raises ethical concerns. Section 5. Reaching beyond borders, long-range strikes. The development of long-range strike drones has been a game-changer for Ukraine. These drones, capable of traveling hundreds of miles behind enemy lines, have given Ukraine the ability to strike strategic targets inside Russia. This new offensive capability has put Russia on the defensive. The message is clear: Ukraine will not be confined to defending its own borders. They have the will and the means to take the fight to the enemy. This development has not gone unnoticed by international observers. Section 6. The power of many drone swarms take flight. Ukraine is at the forefront of another revolutionary development in drone warfare: drone swarms. These swarms represent a significant leap in military technology, offering unprecedented capabilities on the battlefield. Imagine hundreds, even thousands of drones operating in unison, controlled by a central AI. This central AI can coordinate complex maneuvers and strategies, making the swarm a formidable force. This is the terrifying potential of drone swarm technology. The ability to act as a single cohesive unit makes these swarms incredibly efficient and deadly. Ukraine is actively developing and deploying drone swarms. These efforts are part of a broader strategy to modernize their military capabilities and gain an edge in modern warfare. These swarms can overwhelm enemy defenses, rendering traditional defensive measures ineffective. The sheer number of drones can saturate and confuse enemy systems. They can also conduct reconnaissance over a wide area, providing real-time intelligence and surveillance. This capability is crucial for modern military operations, and even carry out coordinated attacks. These attacks can be precisely targeted, minimizing collateral damage and maximizing effectiveness. The use of drone swarms raises serious ethical questions. The potential for autonomous decision-making in lethal situations is a major concern. There are concerns about the potential for unintended consequences, such as accidental targeting of civilians or friendly forces, and the lack of human control in such systems. As these technologies advance, the debate over their ethical use will only intensify, challenging our understanding of warfare and responsibility. Section 7. A shield against the swarm, countering Russian drones. Russia is not a passive observer in this technological arms race. They are also deploying increasingly sophisticated drones. The Iranian-made Shahed drones, in particular, have posed a significant challenge for Ukraine. These drones, often used to target civilian infrastructure, have tested Ukraine's air defenses. Ukraine has been actively developing and deploying countermeasures. They are using a combination of traditional air defense systems, electronic warfare, and their own interceptor drones. The cat-and-mouse game between drone offense and defense is one of the defining features of the war in Ukraine. Section 8. A global stage: international implications of Ukraine's AI war. The world is watching Ukraine's AI-powered military operations with a mixture of awe and apprehension. Ukraine's success in integrating AI into its military has sparked a global debate about the future of warfare. Some see Ukraine as a model for how smaller nations can leverage technology to level the playing field against larger adversaries. Others worry about the ethical implications of increasingly autonomous weapon systems. The war in Ukraine is a stark reminder that technological advancements in warfare are outpacing the development of international norms and regulations.